my beautiful ladies, welcome back to Priya's Hacks. Hope you all are doing good. This video is specially for you. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing about the products which you can use on your periods. Apart from sanitary napkins, I'm not going to discuss about sanitary napkins because we all know how to choose and how to use sanitary napkins. So the products I'm going to be talking about in this video are apart from sanitary napkins. But before starting the video, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel and also activate the bell icon that is next to the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification. And let's not waste any time and let's get into the video. So the first product I have here is a panty liner. A panty liner is nothing but mini version of a sanitary napkin. We use panty liners on the day when we have a very minimum period flow, like on your 4th or 5th day of your periods. You can use the panty liners to absorb the period flow. And you can also use panty liners to absorb your vaginal discharges, like white discharge. Then you can use the panty liner to absorb the vaginal discharge so that your clothes will not get ruined. Let's move on to the next product. The next product I have here is tampons. Tampons are period products which are made of 100% cotton and which you have to insert in your private part. That means you have to insert the product in your vagina right under your cervix. Cervix is like the opening of uterus from where our period blood comes out. So as soon as the period blood comes out of the cervix, the tampon absorbs it and the blood will not come out of your vagina. Tampons are not reusable, tampons are disposable. You have to change your tampon for every 6 to 8 hours. So that's all about tampons. Now I show you how to use the tampons. I have two types of tampons here. The first one is the tampon that comes with an applicator. It's from the brand Sophie. And the second type of tampon that comes without an applicator, and it's from the brand called OB. So first I'll demonstrate how to use the tampon that comes without an applicator. Tampon comes with a string like this which is used to remove the product from our body. You should remember two important things before inserting the tampon. First thing is to wash your hands properly. You shouldn't have any kind of residue of anything, not even the residue of your body lotion, moisturizer or anything. You shouldn't have any residue of your anything. You should wash your hands properly. Another thing to remember is our vaginal canal doesn't go straight up like this. It goes in a slant angle like this. So you shouldn't insert the product straight up like this. You should slide the product in like this. You should be holding the product like this and push the product inside your vagina very gently and very slowly. Push the product with your index finger. Push it until this much of your finger goes inside your vagina along with your tampon. Before removing your finger, make sure that the product is inserted properly and then remove your finger. Remove the tampon, you can just sit on the toilet or you can squat on the floor. This string will be hanging outside of your vagina while this product is still inside your vagina. Just grab the string and you can pull the product at once and your tampon will come out. Tampons I use are for average flow. There is another variant for heavy flow. If you are having heavy flow, you can choose the product, but do not use the heavy flow variant if you are not having heavy flow. It is not good for you. So only use the heavy flow variant if you are having heavy period flow. Otherwise you can go with normal flow. I personally do not prefer the heavy flow tampons. I use the normal flow tampons even in my heavy days. This is how a tampon with an applicator looks. To insert the product, you have to hold the product like this. Hold the product like this and insert the product in an angle like this until this part. Until this part you have to insert the product and then push the bottom of the second part like this and the tampon will come out. Remember, before inserting the product and before removing the product, it is very important to relax completely, otherwise you will get some resistance from your body. It is quite common when you are trying the product for the first time, because you are trying something new and your body will need some time to get adjusted to that product. Tampons are better than sanitary napkins because with sanitary napkins you can get uncomfortable, or you can even get skin rashes or itchiness or irritations and things like that. You cannot perform certain activities with sanitary napkins, like you cannot participate in games, or you cannot go to gym, you cannot swim and things like this you can perform wearing tampons. Okay, so that's all about tampons. Now let's move on to our next product, which is my favorite product. Once I started using this, I stopped using the sanitary pads and even tampons, and that is the menstrual cup. I love this product, and it is like, you know, love at first use. I love this product. What is menstrual cup? This is how menstrual cup looks. Menstrual cups are made of medical grade silicone or rubber. Unlike tampons and sanitary napkins, menstrual cups are reusable. Once you purchase this product, you can use this product for at least 5 years. If you take good care of the product, you can even use the product for 8 to 10 years. Just like we insert the tampons, we have to insert the menstrual cup inside our vagina, right under our cervix. As soon as the blood comes from our cervix, the menstrual cup collects the blood in it. I've been using this menstrual cup for 1.5 years now, and it has changed my entire period experience. I feel so comfortable in my periods when I'm using this product. Sometimes I even forget that I'm on my periods. I may feel that I'm little exaggerating, but believe me, once you use this product, you will know what I'm talking about. We cannot simply insert the product just like this. We have to fold the product and we have to insert this product inside our vagina. Now I'll tell you how to insert the product. There are two popular folds to insert the product. First fold is C fold. You have to fold the cup like this, and you have to hold it, and you have to insert the product just like I told you about tampons. You shouldn't insert the product straight up like this. You have to hold it in a slant angle, and you have to insert it very carefully and very gently. You don't push the product at once. Just wiggle the product and insert the product. And once it's inside your vagina, it opens like this. That is one method to insert the cup, and the another method is called punch down fold. You have to punch down the wall of menstrual cup inside like this. This is how punch down fold looks. Insert the product very slowly and very gently. Once the product is completely inside, release and the product will open. To insert the cup, sit on a toilet, relax completely. If you don't relax, then you will get resistance from your body. So relax completely and it will be very easy to insert the cup. To remove the menstrual cup, again sit on a toilet, relax completely, and then push the menstrual cup a little bit. Then grab the stem and pull out the stem. Then pinch the bottom. It will release the air pressure and it will release the menstrual cup. Pull out the menstrual cup in wiggling motion like this. You should not pull the menstrual cup at once like this. You can do it if you are comfortable with it, but it will cause you pain. So the best method is to pinch the bottom of menstrual cup and remove it in wiggling motion like this. Empty the contents and wash the cup and you can reinsert it. You can wear the menstrual cup for 8 to 12 hours depending on your periods. If you are having heavy periods, then you can wear it for 6 to 8 hours. If you are having normal period, you can wear it for 12 hours but not more than 12 hours. One important thing to remember is to wash your hands properly. You should not have any kind of residue on your hands. Wash your hands, or you can even use any sanitizer to sanitize your hands before inserting the cup and before removing the cup. The next question we all have in our minds is that, are menstrual cups safe? Menstrual cups are completely hygienic, they are completely safe, they are even better than sanitary napkins and tampons. Because while manufacturing sanitary napkins and tampons, manufacturers use bleaching materials like chlorine to bleach the cotton, and also they use different chemicals, adhesives, absorbent materials to manufacture the tampons and sanitary napkins. While as far as menstrual cups are concerned, there are no toxins, no chemicals, no adhesive materials, no plastics are used to manufacture the menstrual cups, so they are completely hygienic and they are completely safe. Also, we have to sterilize the menstrual cups before and after the usage, so there is no chance of any bacterial growth. Menstrual cups are made of medical grade silicone. Medical grade silicone will not allow any bacterial growth, so menstrual cups are completely hygienic and completely safe. Menstrual cups are also environment friendly because a typical woman uses around 16,000 sanitary napkins or tampons in her life. Sanitary napkins are not biodegradable, so people at dumping yard, they generally burn the used sanitary napkins, and these napkins will release toxic gases into the environment. Menstrual cups are not completely biodegradable, but they are definitely environment friendly. Menstrual cups are definitely pricier than sanitary napkins, but they are reusable and it is one-time investment. Once you buy a menstrual cup, you can reuse it for 8 to 10 years. You can find menstrual cups online. I bought my cup from the Rusticart website itself. You get your cup easily online. There are different sizes of cups available. Large size is for women who are above 30 years and small size cup is for women who are below 30 years. If you don't want to use menstrual cups and you still want to use something more organic and less toxic, I have two options for you. First option is reusable cloth pads. These pads are not typical thick piece of cloth. These pads are made of 100% and very soft cotton, and they are filled with micro absorbent fibers. Another option I have is period panty. Period panty is made of 100% pure and soft cotton. The crotch area is covered with leak-proof and absorbent material. You can use the panty all by itself, or you can use the cloth insert that comes with the panty, or you can even use a cloth pad along with the panty for double protection. Reusable cloth pads and period panties are easily available online. So friends, this is the video for today. This video is entirely based on my experience and on my thoughts. If you have any doubts regarding the products mentioned in this video, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my level best to answer your questions. If you want any professional experience, please consult your gynecologist. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.